Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. Today, another Mike Lane video, this time the mini cable ties. Okay, so the cable ties that are already on the Delorean, they do hold the wires, but they're not in the same scale as the Delorean is, they're normal cable ties. So we're going to swap these out for actual cable ties that are the actual size, 1/8 scale. Let me show you. So here they are, here's the mini cable ties. I do have two that are white and one that is clear. So I'm going to start off with the white and use the white today. So I'm going to put this one to the side and the white one I'm going to use to do the inside of the cockpit area. So we're going to try and put a load of cable ties on all of these cables in here. So I'll do one with you. I will do it on this cable here, which is nice and easy to get to, or this cable here actually, nice and easy to get to. Let's turn that round. And yeah, let's open the cable ties. So look at the size of this little tiny cable tie here. Tiny. So that's what we're going to use. So as you can see, I've already applied a couple of the cable ties onto here. So I had a few practice goes so I could properly show you how to do it. So what you want to do is you want to take your cable tie, as tiny as they are, but you see the little end with the head on it. I'm going to call that end the head. Get your tweezers as close to that end as you possibly can. If that will focus and show you, just like that. Then we can wrap that round onto here. I've found that using my actual thumb to bend it round, bring it down and sort of wiggle it in is the best. So we'll push that round and wiggle that in just like so. We can take another set of tweezers and grab that. We can take the first set of tweezers and we're going to put them just in front of that head, and we're going to basically support that head as we push that back and pull that down. So get it all lined up where you want it. I'm going to have mine roughly around about there and push it. Give it nice tight, don't go too tight, and there you are, that's a cable tie on. And when you're trimming it, don't trim it right up here, right up to the end. It'll come out a little and trim it round about there. See, these a little bit just on the end of the cable tie, just like that. So I'll do that on every single cable tie. I'm going to apply the cable ties all the way around the vehicle now, and we'll come back when I've done it. And there we are. As you can see, I went right the way around. So I started here, and these cables are easy to do. I recommend starting on one of these side cables. Start on this one, where you can pull the cable out and you can start getting your practice runs on there. This is the one I practiced on. This is the one I got familiar with how to actually install the cable ties. Once I got that one down, it wasn't too bad. I did remove the seat for this one to put these ones in. Found that easier. By the time I got all of these ones done, I was a dab hand at it, and these ones weren't too bad and quite easy to install up here as well. So we've got them going from this side down here round to round about here. I haven't gone all the way up, and same with this side from here just before the seat belt, coming down round to just round by the footwell, and they come up here and they come onto this cable, through this cable, grab this cable on here, and these cables around here get clamped together. On this side we've got them coming down here through there, and they come from round here all the way up, all the way around to here, clamp these two together, and these two are clamped together here. And I think you'll agree that does look 10 times better with cable ties on it that are the right size rather than the bigger cable ties that Eagle Moss supplied. So yeah, very happy. It looks very cool. And yeah, so now we can move on to doing the next issue, which is actually finishing up the interior part that we've got, attaching that onto the actual chassis itself, and that'll be going on in the next issue. So there you go guys, that is the Mike Lane mini cable ties, and yeah, highly recommend these. It does make it look so much better. So if you want to pick these up for yourself, make sure you head on to MikeLaneModels.com. I'll put the link down here and in the description down below. Make sure you head on over and also check out some of his other products. So if you head on over to MikeLaneModels.com, as you can see on the screen now, he already has a massive catalogue of Build a Back to the Future DeLorean upgrades and improvements. That's for the 1/6, 1/8, and also the Playmobil, as we see in a minute. He also does the carpets for the Ecto 1. He's got the train track coming, as well as the train hubcaps. As you can see on the screen now, he's got some upgrades to the Ecto 1 there as well, and the Playmobil Back to the Future DeLorean on there as well. So make sure you head on over to MikeLaneMods.com and pick up your mod today. So that's it for today, guys. If you did like this video, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.